and welcome. I was looking around Kijiji today, and out in Calgary, I found, as described, as a huge Commodore 64 bundle, 2 of them, lots of accessories. And indeed, it does look to be an accurate description of lots of stuff. Looks like 2 64s, and a disk drive, and lots of joysticks, and things. And there are close-up pictures. I also did look. Now, once again, I don't know this fellow. I can't vouch for him, but I looked. He has like 35 reviews, and I think like 33 or 34 of them are 5. So he's probably been on there for a while. There's a 64. Now, it does say untested. And of course, he's in Calgary. So if you're in Calgary or somewhere close by, it might be worth a trip to have a look. Looks like there's some original boxes. And oh, look, there's a data set. And some other things. I don't know what that is. Something. Oh, games. Imagine that, games. And boy, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Looks like 8 joysticks. A book for a 1541. Pictures of the boxes. Pictures of a 1541. I think I only see one 1541 in there. There is Frogger. And a data set and gateway to Epsi. Let me just look through. Yeah, I think one 1541. Anyway, it's not something that I would immediately jump at. It is something that I might make an offer on if I was close by, but certainly I'm not interested in doing a whole lot of shipping and stuff and seeing how it arrives. It looks, the boxes are there. It doesn't look like the packing that would be in the boxes are there. But still, if you're out that way, Calgary way or Alberta way, or, you're interested in shipping, it looks like an interesting bunch. It does say, if I can get back here and figure out how to do this. There we go. 400 or best offer, untested and sold as is. So, buyer beware, but it might be if you're one of those people who sold your 64 years ago and is wanting to get back into it, or if you're somebody who knows what's going on, because both of these things could work. The disk drive could work, everything could be fine, or not. It is one of those risky things. But anyway, I get the feeling this is not a fellow who has a lot of Commodore stuff around. I suspect, like a lot of people these days, maybe, possibly, he's somebody who somehow got this collection through some, I don't know, an estate or a friend or something or other, doesn't really know much about it, gathered it all together and is trying to sell it. So, remember it said, or best offer. So, if you don't make an offer, you can't get it. But anyway, I just thought I'd share that. So, thanks for coming. Have a lovely, lovely day. And don't forget, we'll see you at the World of Commodore, December 2nd and 3rd, at the Admiral INN in Mississauga, Ontario. Just a little bit away from the QEW. David Bradley, signing off. Bye for now.